T&D Security Systems Limited supply and install dependable intruder and fire alarm systems together with a great many other security products in the central belt of Scotland. We can provide a home or business security system at a highly competitive price, either wired or wire-free. Smoke detectors, panic buttons, pressure mats and CCTV systems, network cabling and door entry systems. We're an NSI Gold approved alarm company and a Select approved electrical contractor. Find out more from our website. Get in touch by email. Call us in Bathgate at T&D Security Systems Limited.